Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on your iPhone or how to set up eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to set up your eSIM on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and from here you have to simply scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version. And if there is any update available for you, you have to simply install the updates on your device, and after this go back. And now you have to simply make sure that you are connected with a strong internet connection. So guys, connect your device with a strong internet connection, and after this go back. And now you have to simply open settings again and go to cellular. From here tap on this, and from here scroll it below and tap on add eSIM. So guys, wait here for some seconds, and from here you can see you can easily set up your eSIM from here. So guys, there are three options. You can use anyone, transfer from nearby iPhone, use QR code, or transfer from Android. So guys, you can select anyone. Here I am selecting use QR code, and from here you can see you can enter the details manually, and you can also scan your eSIM from here. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply scan the QR code of your eSIM, and after this it will be activated on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily activate your eSIM from here by scanning QR code. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.